cheesy tater tacos, cause why not? I was at my parents' for Father's Day and they served cheesy taters as a side dish, and while we were eating, this idea popped in my head. So what we've got here is your standard cheesy tater recipe, but I had to sub in a can of cream of mushroom soup for cream of chicken, cause I forgot one at the store. I also only did 3/4 of the bag of hash browns to leave room for the secret ingredient. I baked it at 375 for a half an hour and then added the secret ingredient, 1 pound of GFS taco filling. I mixed that in and added some cheese on top and then baked it for another half an hour. When it was done, it looked a little something like this. Yes, that's a lot of grease, and no, I don't care. I let the tater mix cool down for a bit before building the tacos. Jumbo-sized crunchy taco shell and 2 big scoops of the tater taco mix. Top that with a little Yellowbird hot sauce, then some fresh shredded lettuce and store-bought pico de gallo. I should mention I warmed the taco shells up in the air fryer for a minute at 350, I just didn't record it. And that's all she wrote. Let's take a look at the finished product. Looks pretty darn tasty to me. Drop a comment if you'd try this.